Hey, how's it going? Okay, so um, excuse me. AI is kind of big right now. I had this great idea. I thought to create like a little chat GPT personalized chemistry tutor. I went to a conference and I figured they said, hey, a bunch of companies are doing that already. I was so excited because I found a website, did it, students were doing it, it was great. And then all of a sudden it said, oh, by the way, you've used all your free trial and now it's going to cost you $1 million, or at least a lot of money. So um, this is a hack around that. If you go to ChatGPT, you can upload the PDF prompt that I have for you, which is about a 7.5 page prompt, which is and a lot of it is just chemistry standards from the state of Ohio and standards that we use in class to make this thing a really good chemistry tutor. And you can ask it any questions you want, and I think it works fairly well. So here's how you do it. Log into Chat GPT. You'll need the PDF prompt ready, and so then you just go to this little attached file, click Upload from my computer. It's called Aviator 1 Chem Tutor. Go down here and hit Go, and then just hit Upload. And it's just going to summarize the document. And you're like, well, that doesn't really work well. But trust me, just be patient. I've figured this out. Just kind of goes through this stuff the first time. It's got all the standards and topics. And scroll down here. And then now say, all you got to do is just say, please use this prompt now. And hit enter. Let's see what happens. And there it is. It says, hello, I'm Aviator 1 AI Chem Tutor. I thought that was kind of cool to give it that name just because, Houston's evil minion was taken already. Just kidding. I'm excited to help you dive into any chemistry topic you're interested in. Before we begin, can you tell me about your chemistry? If you're not sure, I'm happy to give some suggestions to what you're curious about. Basically, you can ask it questions. If you're studying for a test, say, can you quiz me over this topic? Multiple choice questions, free response. Just see how it goes. I've tried it. It seemed to work fairly well. Let me know what you think. All right. Thanks a lot.